Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Barun Education. So I'm gonna share something which is important to speak this language, to learn this language in English. So if I talk about spoken English, so how to improve this language? Actually, if you want to become a English speaker, good English speaker, so you have to become a listener, good listener. This is a fact. If you want to improve this language, so you have to learn some actually step, you have to do some step, then you can speak, you can improve this language. So I will share some step in this video, so you have to watch carefully and you have to do this step if you want to improve this language. So I will share some tips, like if you want to become a good speaker, so you have to be a good listener. It's a fact, but many people know these things, but they don't want to do regularly, consistency. This is a main thing. So I will share something which is important to learn this language. So I will share in this video, I will share two things, listening and speaking, because I will share listening and speaking because this is a fundamental of this language. Got it? What am I saying? Okay, actually I am trying to describe these things. First of all, if you want to become a good speaker, listen carefully. If you want to become a good speaker, so you have to become a good listener. It means you have to listen more, then you can speak this language fluently. It's a fact, but many people know these things, but they don't want to do regularly. They do only 1 or 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, actually maximum 10 or 20 days, and then they quit. This is a big thing. So I will share and I will say you have to be a consistent. It's a fact, it's a fundamental, it's a basic things to learn this language, to improve this language. Getting my point? So first of all, you have to do listening. If you want to become a good speaker, so you have to become a good listener, and then if you want to become a good writer, then you have to do reader. You have to become a good reader, then you can write very well in a manner. Getting my point? So actually I am trying to say, if you want to learn this language, so you have to do two things, listening and speaking. So actually many people know these things, but they don't want to be a consistent. So that's the thing, we need to consistent, and then we can improve this language. So I will say this type of things, this type of step, and then one things I will share. Actually many people say, when I speak this language, sometimes I stuck, sometimes I can't express my thoughts. Actually every people face this problem, and also everyone facing this problem, but you don't understand. Actually when you learn this language, that time you will face this problem, otherwise you can't improve this language, na? So it's a thing, and I will say today, happy Makar Sankranti 2024 everyone. So I think you understand what am I saying. So you have to be consistent and you have to be a good listener, then you can speak this language fluently. I think after 1 or 2 months you can speak fluently very well, but you have to do regularly these things. Getting my point? Okay, so I think you understand what am I trying to say. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye and see you again.